Sengled Home App Review. Is it legit? So the Sengled Home App is the official companion app for Sengled smart lighting and accessories. It allows you to set up, control, and customize Sengled devices, including smart bulbs, light strips, and plugs, directly from your phone without needing a separate hub for many products. So it offers some key features. The device control, so you can turn lights on and off, dim, and adjust the control color temperature or RGB colors. They can also have scheduling and automation, so you can set timers and routines for lights to turn on or off automatically. It also has a grouping, where you can manage multiple lights in one room or zones for synchronized control. It can also have a voice assistant integration, which works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings. And lastly, it offers scene creation, so you can save custom lighting moods for quick activation. So if its pros is it's easy to set up. It works with a hub and without a hub for many models. It also has a smooth integration with many major smart home assistants, and it has a simple and clean user interface. The only problem is it only works with singlet products, so there's no third-party device control. And they have occasional connection delays or sync issues. And they even have limited automation options compared to more advanced platforms. So in conclusion, the Singlet Home app is legit and works well if you own Singlet smart products.